Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining Redwood Credit Union's annual membership meeting. My name is Lisa Whitkey-Schaffner, and I'm chair of your board of directors. I'm pleased to share that in 2025, RCU reached and surpassed an exciting milestone. We now serve more than 500,000 members. You may be surprised to learn that in addition to the members in our 8 local counties, we also serve RCU members who live across the nation and around the world. This meeting allows us to share important information and updates with members wherever you call home. Let me start by introducing RCU's volunteer officials and leadership team, beginning with the other members of the board. Board Vice Chair Deborah Watts, Board Secretary David Gwine, Board Treasurer Rod Dole, and board members Christina Rivera, Jim Olmstead, Jerry Hansen, Robert Eiler, Judy Herreras James, Associate Board Member Gerardo Martin, Associate Board Member Stephanie Plant, and our board members emeritus, Greg McGurk and Dave Emoto. On RCU's Audit and Enterprise Risk Committee, we have Committee Chair Deborah Watts, Committee Secretary David Gwine, and committee members Jerry Hansen, Gerardo Martin, and Stephanie Plant. I'd also like to acknowledge the board members of RCU Services Group, pictured here. RCU Services Group is our wholly owned subsidiary, which includes our auto dealership and in-house insurance agency, giving you the convenience of meeting all of your auto and insurance needs in one place. Finally, I'd like to introduce RCU's President and CEO, Brett Martinez, along with your credit union's senior leadership team. They are committed to our mission of passionately serving your best interest, building a strong and sustainable organization, supporting the local communities, and providing you with the highest quality service. Redwood Credit Union's bylaws require at least 25 members be present to have a quorum for the meeting. I see we have more than 25 members signed on tonight, which meets our quorum, so I'll call the meeting to order. As chair of your volunteer board of directors, I am pleased to share that 2025 was another strong year for your credit union. We celebrated RCU's 75th anniversary, grew our membership, and remained an important source of support to our communities. RCU is dedicated to building financial well-being and strengthen our communities while ensuring the credit union remains strong, safe, and secure. For the third year in a row, RCU is recognized by Newsweek as one of the top credit unions based on our financial health, operational performance, and member evaluations. Newsweek also recognized us as one of America's greatest mid-size workplaces based on online employee reviews, public data, an extensive survey, and over 120 key performance indicators contributing to workplace performance and employee satisfaction. And early this year, we also received Newsweek's Greatest Mid-Size Workplaces for Women Award based on independent research that included online employee reviews and extensive publicly available data. Commitment to our community is central to our mission, and your continued support enables us to deepen that commitment every year. In 2025, we provided over $5.1 million to more than 300 local nonprofits and community organizations through sponsorships, grants and matching campaigns, employee giving, and volunteer hours. As a result, RCU is recognized as one of the top Bay Area corporate philanthropists by San Francisco Business Times. That was an impressive feat, as RCU ranked among the top 25, standing toe-to-toe with global corporations like Visa, Levi Strauss & Company, and Oracle in contributions to charitable organizations based in the Bay Area. We're also proud to announce that President and CEO Brett Martinez was named Best Business Community Leader by readers of the North Bay Biz magazine for the third time, and Best Philanthropist for Sonoma and Napa counties by readers of the Bohemian. Brett believes in hiring the right people, providing high quality and reliable service, and putting money back into the community, and his leadership exemplifies that every day. We're humbled to have been recognized with many more awards in 2025, including Best Places to Work by North Bay Business Journal and North Bay Biz Magazine, and Best Credit Union or Financial Institution by readers of many local publications, such as the Press Democrat, Napa Valley Register, Marin Independent Journal, and Sonoma Index Tribune. We treasure these distinctions because they are based on your opinions and how well we serve and support our community. On behalf of the board and RCU leadership, we are honored to serve you, our members, and we're grateful for your trust and loyalty. We strive to help you achieve financial well-being, and you can always count on us to be there for you through all ups and downs of life. Thank you. Now I'll turn it over to Brett Martinez for the President's Report.
Thank you, Lisa. Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us. We've got a lot to share with you tonight, so let's get started. I'm happy to report that RCU had an exceptional year in 2025. Today, we are the fourth largest credit union in California and the 27th largest in the United States, out of more than 4,400 nationwide. Our strength and our stability reflect the trust that you place in us and our solid financial model. This enables our steady growth and ensures that your money stays safe and secure. And as always, the deposits are federally insured up to $250,000 by the National Credit Union Administration, providing the same level of protection as the FDIC does for banks. With that strong foundation in place, let's take a look at our 2025 financial results. Assets grew 7.1%, which equates to over $650 million for a total of $9.8 billion. Total assets under management, which includes all member savings, investments, and loans with RCU, both on and off our balance sheet, increased 9.5%, which equates to $1.1 billion for a total of $12.3 billion. This growth is the result of several components as follows. Deposits increased 6.2%, which equates to $491 million for a total of $8.4 billion. Member investment accounts increased 19%, which equates to $258 million for a total of $1.6 billion. These member investments are off our balance sheet and are managed by our knowledgeable wealth management advisors. Portfolio loans grew 14.4%, which equals $987 million for a total of $7.9 billion. Delinquent loans decreased to 0.71% of total loans, and net charge-offs increased to 0.66% of loans. While charge-offs increased, I want to point out that we remain well reserved and continue to work closely with members when they are experiencing financial hardship, which is a key differentiator for RCU. Equity increased 13.4%, which equates to $148 million for a total of $1.25 billion. And we experienced net growth of over 32,000 members in 2025. Increasing our total membership by 6.5%. We now serve more than 521,000 members in the North Bay, San Francisco, and throughout the world. In fact, more than 91% of all RCU transactions are conducted electronically, demonstrating that members enjoy the convenience of our online and mobile banking app. You can find more details on all of our 2025 results, including RCU's financial statement, in our annual report, which is available at the website that you see on the screen. One of the most important reasons we're able to deliver these results is that credit unions are built differently than banks. At RCU, we're not beholden to investors or stockholders. Any profits RCU earns are returned to our members in many ways, such as higher rates on your savings, including money markets and certificates, lower rates on loans and credit cards, free checking, a digital banking platform recognized as one of the best in the country, and access to over 35,000 free network ATMs, plus an ATM fee reimbursement program. These are just a few of the benefits that add value to your membership in the cooperative. Our member-first structure is central to who we are. Our mission is to passionately serve the best interest of our members, our team members, and our communities. And our purpose goes even deeper: to inspire hope, and elevate the financial well-being of our communities, one person at a time, through the good times and the bad. So how do we bring our mission and our purpose to life? In addition to delivering strong financial performance, we strive to give you the best banking experience possible, whether you're banking online, by phone, or coming into one of our 22 branches. To showcase this, I'd like to highlight a few of the many enhancements that we implemented over this past year. All of them share one goal: putting more control, confidence, and peace of mind in your hands as you manage your financial journey. 95 RCU team members became certified financial coaches in 2025. That means there's coaches on staff at every branch to help you with everything from planning a big purchase or dream trip to creating a workable budget to paying down debt. This is a free service to our members, and it's easy to make an appointment online. In response to member feedback, we also added new products and services to help you save money, reduce debt, and improve your credit score. These include Credit Plus, which provides free daily updates of your credit score, a full credit report, and a credit score simulator that shows you how to improve your score and qualify for lower interest rates on loans and credit cards. We added new savings tools. Simple Save makes saving effortless. Every time money is deposited in your checking account, a percentage that you choose is automatically transferred to your savings or money market account. Building on that same set it and forget it approach, Round Up and Save lets you round up your debit card purchases to the next dollar and automatically deposit the difference into your savings. Together, these tools make everyday saving easier and helped members save nearly $2.85 million. We enhanced our Cards Reward program. Now when you redeem points, you can choose cash back, apply the amount to your card balance as a credit, get a purchase rebate, or donate to the Redwood Credit Union Community Fund. Our new Payment Nudge encourages members to pay more than the minimum on their credit cards or loans. This simple reminder in digital banking helps you pay off debt faster, save on interest, and improve your overall financial health. And finally, our new direct deposit switcher tool makes it easy to set up or move your paycheck to your RCU accounts so that you can enjoy the convenience of early pay and get access to your money sooner. Protecting you from fraud and scams and keeping your money safe continues to be one of our highest priorities. In 2025, we introduced Benefits Checking, which for just $7 a month provides credit monitoring, dark web and identity monitoring, identity theft resolution services, and up to $25,000 in reimbursement for costs related to restoring your identity. Benefits Checking also includes a host of other protections like 24/7 telehealth services, cell phone protection for up to 4 phones, 24/7 roadside assistance, and more. We know that many members pay for these services separately, and we wanted to provide you with a more cost-effective and a simpler solution. We also improved our frauds claim process, making it easier to report suspicious activity on your card and get help quickly. Preventing fraud is a top of mind for businesses as well, especially check fraud. That's why we added Business Positive Pay, a service that helps prevent fraudulent check and ACH transactions from clearing your business account. Our business members now also have access to Business RCU Pay, a safer way to send funds instantly. To make it easier for our local businesses to grow, we simplified our business lending application to reduce processing time and get funds into members' hands faster. As a result, we approved nearly 1,300 business loans totaling $210 million in 2025. That's a 37% increase over 2024. As demand continues to grow, we're also investing in physical presence to better serve our members in our communities. I'm pleased to share that our new Ukiah branch on Perkins Street in the Pear Street Shopping Center officially opened this week. This location significantly improves our members' experience, including the addition of convenient drive-up ATMs. Also, we opened a new branch in San Anselmo, bringing us to a total of 4 across Marin County. Lastly, we added a new ATM in Novato at the Vintage Oak Shopping Center, and we continually pursue opportunities to expand our branch and ATM network, ensuring we meet members where they live, work, and do business. Empowering our local communities remains core of what we do at Redwood Credit Union. In 2025, we continue to deepen our community and social impact through volunteerism, strategic grant making, financial education, and meaningful community involvement, showing up when it matters most. Our team members contributed more than 5,100 hours throughout the year to serve at more than 300 community building events. That commitment showed up in powerful ways across our communities, including our 5 Shred-a-thons and our 2025 holiday food drive, which brought in a record-breaking 36,000 pounds of food. We also hosted financial workshops serving more than 9,000 community members, and our whole team came together for a Day of Impact, where 940 team members created nearly 4,000 birthday boxes and care bags for every child in foster care in RCU's service area. Another example that reflects our values came during the longest federal government shutdown in history, when paychecks were suddenly disrupted. We proactively reached out to affected members, offering interest-free loans to cover missed income and loan payment deferments to relieve that financial pressure. It's about doing the right thing, making a stressful and uncertain time a little easier for the people who count on us every day. Beyond volunteerism, we continue to invest in long-term economic stability. Through the RCU Community Fund, we launched a down payment assistance program to create sustainable pathways to home ownership. Our first round goal is $1 million in down payment support. To learn more about the ways we made a difference in our communities in 2025, you can now view our social impact report on our website at the link shown. At the heart of RCU's success is our committed and engaged team. In 2025, our employee engagement score from team member surveys was over 96%, far exceeding Gallup's national average of 30% and its benchmark for exceptional workplaces, which averages around 70%. This reflects how deeply our team believes in RCU's mission and purpose. To prove it, RCU is named Best Places to Work in the North Bay for the 20th year in a row by the North Bay Business Journal. This is always the word I'm most proud of. When our team members feel valued and fulfilled, that satisfaction translates into exceptional care and service for our members, our communities, and for each other. Member service remains a top priority for us. We regularly survey our members to see how we are doing and how we can improve. Our 2025 year-end score showed over 85% of our members would recommend us to friends and family, well above the industry average of 65%. We listen carefully to your feedback and use it to continually improve so that we can support your financial success today and into the future. As you can see, 2025 was an incredible year, and I'm equally excited for 2026. Looking ahead, our focus remains simple: continuing to make banking easier, more secure, and more supportive of your financial goals, no matter where you're at on your journey. We just crossed the $10 billion mark in assets, a huge milestone in our history, and we will continue to grow RCU's footprint. I'm so proud of our team and our board of directors for continuing the commitment to serving you. We're honored to be partners with you in achieving your financial goals and dreams, while also ensuring that your credit union remains stable and financially secure. We know that none of this would be possible without you, our members. So thank you for inspiring us every day and trusting us to help you succeed. Your trust, your loyalty, and your support are what keep Redwood Credit Union strong, and we're honored to serve you. So thank you. Now I'll turn it over to Deborah Watts to give her report as chair of the Audit and Enterprise Risk Committee.
As chair of your Audit and Enterprise Risk Committee, I'm pleased to share that Redwood Credit Union continues to be safe, sound, and deliver strong financial performance. Our ongoing success is due to the vision and dedication of your credit union's leadership team and the trust and participation of our members. Redwood Credit Union's financial stability and strength were confirmed by multiple sources, including a comprehensive annual opinion audit by an independent CPA firm, regulatory examinations by the Department of Financial Protection and Innovation, the National Credit Union Administration, and a review by Bauer Financial, which once again awarded RCU its highest 5-star rating for financial strength. We're committed to ensuring your credit union remains strong and financially healthy so you can have peace of mind now and in the future. On behalf of your Audit and Enterprise Risk Committee, it's an honor to serve you. Next on the agenda is the Nominating Committee's report, so I'll turn it over to Nominating Committee Chair Rod Dole.
Thank you, Deborah. First, I want to thank and recognize the other members of the nominating committee for their participation in this very important process. Board members Judy Herreras-James and Jim Olmstead. The committee met and reviewed applications for the 3 open positions on the board of directors. We nominated 3 applicants for 3-year terms from 2026 to 2029. Incumbent Christina Rivera, incumbent David Gwine, and incumbent Deborah Watts. Because there are 3 qualified, unopposed nominees for the 3 open positions, there is no need for a vote this year. Each of the board nominees is hereby elected. Congratulations to all our nominees. Thank you, and now I'll turn it over to Brett.
Thank you, Rod. Seeing as we did not receive any questions, the meeting is now adjourned. So thank you for joining us tonight, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening.